Hi, I'm David Braido, product specialist from Disaronno Ingredients, and I'm here today with ice cream equipment specialist and top Churn to show you a new way of making business with gelato, having an equipment that does both gelato production and serving of the gelato. The line we're going to present you today are a very all-in-one solution. This product has all the ingredients inside. You will only need to add water, and then you will use the machine to produce the sorbet and the gelato. Okay, let's start making the sorbet Liogel all-in-one. The only thing that you need to do is have 2.5 liters ready with you. So we're gonna pour the water in a bigger container so we have more room to mix. Very simple. We're gonna start adding the product and mixing. Now, the good thing with this type of product is that you don't really need to have skills on a pastry preparation or gelato preparation. Consistency is a key, and this is the exact product to use the less amount of labor and have your product always taste the same over time. So after you're done mixing, you're gonna keep the mix quiet for 20 minutes. So this will allow to rehydrate all the powder in it, and we can go to the next flavor. All right, our Liogel now it's ready to be put in our V1 churn machine. So let's do it. So I'm just gonna open, I'm just gonna pour. We're gonna use around 2.5 liters here. All right, so close this one, and now we start the machine. All right, we are here on the back of the machine, the V1 top churn. We're gonna start the production by pressing the button off. Here we have our list of flavors available. We're gonna choose the first one. Production, storage, clean, and night are the function, but right now we're gonna look only on the production. So we start, the machine is starting. Here we have the information about the actual temperature in the pot and the settings. Compressor just start, so let's see what happened in 20 minutes. All right, so for this shot, we're gonna put our machine together. So we have our V1 machine here, we have our V2 machine. I just wanna show you how beautiful those gelato and sorbet looks like when they're specially all together. You have option also for a 2, for a 4, a 6, a 8. You have the single, but you can put together as many as you want. So let's try and see how this Liogel Wild Berry came out. I'm gonna use my spatula. I'm gonna open up here. So see, this is super creamy gelato. It looks like a gelato is actually a sorbet, and it's actually vegan. So I'm gonna have a nice cup over here. I'm gonna put this one back. And here you have our wild berry sorbet.